Namaste, Assalamu alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your wash chef at whatever.com. Today we're going to make lollipop that too vegetarian. We're going to use beetroot. You know, a lot of kids, they hate vegetables, they hate broccoli, they hate a lot of vegetables, but you can always convert that vegetables into something that kids will love. So these kind of lollipops, so I'm going to take beetroot because there is a lot of moisture in this. So we need to absorb this moisture with something. So I've got chickpea flour, that too roasted chana dal. This has a very neutral taste. So you can add it to kebabs, even to make tandoori chicken sometimes. To make sure that the marinade sticks well, I use roasted chickpea flour. We're going to add to this. In this, I'm going to add some mashed potatoes. And you can also add any of the vegetables you want. In this, chopped green chili, chopped coriander, and some peanut powder. Some nuts powder you add to this. Add chaat masala. If you want to add some coriander powder or something like that, you can always add. And some cumin seed powder. Mix all these ingredients well. Now we're going to have a nice dough-like mixture. The potatoes also absorb the color of the beetroot and they are nice and red. You can also add a little bit of salt to taste and then mix it well. Now we're going to make little balls out of it and then we're going to make these lollipops. Make small lollipop kind of dumpling. So when you make these things, just make sure you take the mixture, press it a little bit because there's a lot of moisture and the air gap. So once you press it a little bit hard, they will come out nice. So now we are going to coat this with sesame seeds and a little bit of all-purpose flour to make sure that they don't break in the oil, and we're going to stick a toothpick into them and then they will look awesome. What we do is take some maida, add little water to this and make this into a thin slurry. Now look at this slurry of maida. We're going to coat these dumplings in this and then coat some sesame seeds, black and white sesame seeds. Now take this thing, just coat like this and roll them in black and white sesame seeds. Look at them. They will look good. Just take this, coat it little bit with the maida flour and then with the sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are very good and rich in iron, and you're also giving them nice beetroot, another vegetable. Make them like this and then we're going to fry them. Take these dumplings and fry it in a hot oil. Just make sure that you kind of toss them in your hand so that extra anything of the loose of the sesame seeds can come off. Then put it in the oil, fry till they are nice and colored. We have these dumplings nice and ready. Look at them. Because they are coated well with sesame seeds, and when kids eat them, you know what is going to happen? The beetroot is going to make their tongue a little bit reddish in color. Take one of these, put a toothpick onto it and then done. Take the side which is a little bit blunt, just stuff it in and then you have your lollipops. Especially kids will just love it because kids want anything that will look a little bit different, out of the way, and you have a very nice, healthy, nutritious. Even though I have fried, inside the beetroot is not fried actually, it is kind of steamed within its own juices and the nutrients are retained. And here on the outside, the sesame seeds. Sesame seeds, you know, a lot of snacks we make with sesame seeds, when they get slightly fried in the oil, they get the fantastic taste. Double bonanza with this, just make them and you will really love it. Look at them, kids will just love them. You know, anything that they can hold in the hand and take a bite, they will just love it. Mayonnaise and tomato based sauce, have it with that, and nice. Even vegetarian, we can make a lot of dishes. This is, in few minutes, this is going to become nice and red. Kids also love to show off their tongue. I'm just kidding. Make these wonderful, awesome lollipops. Enjoy with your kids and keep saying whatever.